Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to change or remove your location on Instagram. So let's head over to our Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account, and let's just take a screenshot of this. And let's just go to this plus icon on the middle. And here I am selecting this photo and tap on next. Here, as you can see, it's a cute cat. I'm going to tap on next. And here I can add location. If I want to turn on location devices, and you can also use your current location with this one, and you can also just add any location like this one. And here you can just add like this, and if you want to change it, just tap on it again and just tap on the cross icon on the right and it is removed, and tap on add location again, and now you can just change it to anything you want. Like I'm just setting it to this one, and tap on share once you're okay with it. So this is how you can just change and add and remove your location on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.